Hey there, it's your host Dan. Today I want to show you a cool tool. A lot of people probably already know about this. For those of you who don't, this is a tire tread depth gauge, and this measures in 30 seconds of an inch. This was only $6 and some change to my door. Came from overseas. I don't know how they do it to turn a profit, but bless them for doing so. $6.12 to my door. Very inexpensive item. Very, very easy to use. Let's go take it over the car. I'll show you how it works. It really couldn't be any easier to use. You're just going to push the plunger in to a higher number, take the dial, place it in between the tread, push it down till it's level, and then we can see here I'm getting about 6/30 seconds of an inch here still on the front tire, which is fairly good. Once it's 5 or less, it's in the questionable zone, and 2/30 seconds or less, that definitely means replace the tire. If you take a look at the tire too, you can also see there's a little bump indicator along the tread. That right there, if it gets down to that of course tells you you need to replace the tire. That's your 2/30 seconds or less. You want to place the dial, of course, not on the bump, because you'll get an inaccurate reading. Let's check the rear tire back here. 10-30 seconds. A lot more meat on this rear tire. Now let's check the driver rear. See where we're at on that one. Looks like same thing, right about 10-30 seconds. And the remaining last tire here on front. Let's check that one. And we're about 6/30 seconds here on the driver front. Pretty simple to use, huh? So what did that tell me? My fronts are at 6/30 seconds and my backs are at 10/30 seconds. I need to rotate my tires so they wear evenly. And that's what this told me in just a matter of seconds. This is only $6 and some change to my door. I think it's a pretty cool little thing to have, especially if I'm looking for a used car in the future. I can whip this out, or if I'm looking at multiple cars, I'll write down where the tread depth was on each individual car. So hope you enjoyed the tip I have here for you today. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. And as always, thanks for watching.